Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mummy. Happy birthday to you. A very very happy birthday to you, મમ્મી. તારા બર્થડે પર મને એમ લાગે છે શું કહું અને શું નહીં. યુ આર ધ સ્ટ્રોંગેસ્ટ વુમન દેટ આઈ હેવ સીન. નાનપણથી આઈ હેવ સીન યુ મેનેજિંગ યોર personal life and professional life, and till today you are doing the same thing, and I think it has been so easy for me to do the same thing. The only reason behind that is you. એટલે મારા માટે to stay at home and not have a career of my own was never a thought, because I always grew up seeing you doing both the things very well. So a big thanks to you for making me what I am today. Of course, a big thanks to you and Papa as well. તું એટલી ઇનોસન્ટ છે, તારા મનમાં જે હોય છે એ તારા જુબાન પર આવી જાય છે. તને કંઈ પોલિટિક્સ નથી આવતું કે કોઈના સાથે કેવી રીતે કામ કઢાવવાનું નથી આવતું કે સ્વીટ બોલવાનું નહીં. જે છે યુ આર વોટ યુ આર, એન્ડ દેટ વિલ ઓલવેઝ બી ધેર, એન્ડ દેટ ઇઝ સમથિંગ દેટ આઈ રિસ્પેક્ટ અ લોટ. Every new dish that I have learned in the past 1.5 years after my wedding is because of you and Didi. I don't remember કે એક પણ દિવસ એવો કયો છે જ્યારે I have not called you અને પૂછ્યું છે કે આમાં કેવી રીતે નાખવાનું છે, કે આમાં શું કરવાનું છે, એન્ડ એટલું ગાઈડન્સ આપ્યું છે ફોન પર. કમ્પ્લીટલી ઓલવેઝ ધેર ફોર મી કયા પણ વસ્તુ માટે, નોટ જસ્ટ કુકિંગ, બીટ એનીથિંગ. And you have always seen to it that I am going on the right track. Be it pushing me when I was in 10th, 12th, engineering, MBA, બધું કરવા માટે you have pushed me. And I think the biggest thing that I received from you is independence. You have always made me independent. ક્યારે પણ એવું નથી કીધું કે અમૃતા આ નહીં કર કાં તો એ નહીં કર. You have always left us કે તમે જાઓ, દુનિયામાં બહાર જાઓ, જે કરવું હોય કરો. And that is the reason why we are so strong today, both me and Didi. You are the main pillar of this family along with Papa, who have held this home together and has made the base so strong that it is impossible for us to even think of our lives without you. And you're always so excited to do everything. Like, you have an amazing social life, you have an amazing professional life, you are an amazing housewife, and you love to exercise. You exercise every day since past I think years and years. As far as I know, you've been exercising since so long, and you push me to exercise. You tell me to eat healthy. You tell me કે અમૃતા વજન ના વધવું જોઈએ, obesity no થવી જોઈએ, eat more and more fruits, eat more and more vegetables, keep working hard. મહેનત તો કરવી જ જોઈએ લાઈફમાં, હમણાં મહેનત નહીં કરીશ તો ક્યારે કરીશ. So I think all this pushing that I get is from you, and that is the reason why I work so hard, because I just feel that I will reach somewhere close to where you are, and the respect that you have as a doctor and as a person here in Shahpur or anywhere among our relatives and friends. So that is a goal that I have to reach one day. I have seen you and Papa work day in and day out without even thinking what time it is, be it 2 a.m., 5 a.m., 7 a.m., deliveries, operations, everything you have done so that me and Didi, both of us, we both get a wonderful life. આજ સુધી એવી વસ્તુ મારા લાઈફમાં નથી થઈ તમારા સાથે કે મેં કંઈ માંગ્યું છે and I have not got it. Even before asking, I think I have gotten it. Laptop, I didn't want a laptop when I was so young, and Dad gave me a laptop. I mean, it was a big thing during those days. Everything that we've never even asked for, we've got in advance, and that is something amazing, because you guys have worked so hard to fulfill all our wishes, be it the best clothes, best jewelry, best vacations, every school days pachi every vacation holidays we used to go out. Wishing you loads and loads of love, happiness and health on this birthday of yours. I wish that you live as long as I live, because I cannot imagine my life without you and Papa ever. You both are the best people in the world. There are like a zillion things that I've learned from both of you, and I try to apply them in my daily life. So you guys are like my role models, and that is the truth. So a very happy birthday to you once again, mummy. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay positive. You are an amazing woman.